Jehovah, you are the most high God. So you're welcome back to this particular tutorial as concerning what we have been practicing and putting ourselves through since the beginning of this particular class. And I welcome everybody. My name is James Adeyemi and I'll be your instructor. If you are a new person, you are welcome to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying tuned, and I hope you keep improving on your playing and improving on being an expert in keyboard playing. So in our last class, I just played the video in which we ended with having to include the key E, in our song. And as I've promised, so today we'll be learning how to include the key A. And the chords for key A will be A, C, and E. A, C, and E. So these are the chords for key A. So let's see how we can integrate this into our song, and it's gonna be more sonorous. So as I always say, that you should align your voice with the root key. So our root key here is key C. Alright, so we are good to go. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. So we've been able to integrate our key A into the song, and if you listen carefully, we went from C, the chord of C, to the chord of F. We came back to C, then we went to G, then we went to E, then from our E, rather than going to F, we firstly went to key A, and that's how you integrate key A into it. So you have your key A, then you now go to your F, then you go to your C, then you now come to your G, and then you have your C. So it's more like you're going from 1 to 4, back to 1, then 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 5, 1. So that's the chord progression, and then you can practice with that. Alright, let's go again, then we'll be able to see how sonorous it is to the ear. Yeah. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high God. You are the most high. You are the most high God. Jehovah, you are the most high. You are the most high. High God, Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. 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 Jehovah, you are Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. So I was able to freestyle there, and then just free your hands around the keys, and then you're able to just come up with something new about the song and the likes. It's really cool, really good to be able to do all those. So with that, we've come to the end of this particular class, but then I want to show you what we're going to be adding in our next class. So for this class we added key A. So for our next class we'll be adding the key D. Key D. So D goes D, F, A. So we'll be adding this chord, and then we'll see how we can integrate that into our playing of the same song. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah, you are the Most High God. Yeah, so I hope we've been able to learn something new. So it's becoming more interesting, and if we have to go over all the keys we've been able to learn so far, we've learned the key C, we'll learn the key F, then we'll learn the key G, then we move to key E, making 4. Now we've learned the key A, so making 5 keys that we've already learned. And you can apply all these keys to different songs and the likes, and it's gonna flow very well. So with our next class we'll be adding one more key, which is gonna be our 6th key that we'll be adding, and it's gonna be very sonorous. So from there we just have one more key left, and you should be done and be able to really play on key C. So the same thing that you've been able to really learn while playing key C, you can transfer the same knowledge to key D, transfer the same knowledge to when you are playing E, when you are playing F, when you are playing your root notes to be G and the like. So with practice you can play on all the keys, like all the keys, including the black keys, So same thing applies if you are playing, if D flat happens to be your root note, you can just look for the 5th and then the 3rd. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3rd. Then you can just look for the 5th. So this is gonna be our 4th, and then we have our the 5th one there. So just transfer it to this down part, and that's already your key D flat. So you can just apply the same rule to all the keys, and you'll be able to at least play on all the keys. But now we are using the key C for this particular tutorial. So I hope you've been able to really learn something new as well, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.